The firebox and the stand may have sharp edges, so always use gloves when assembling them. This is what you need to assemble the firebox stand. The firebox stand, metal protection plate, 2 support brackets, and 2 rods. Use these rods with Hekla 7 instead of the original shorter rods. The original rods of Hekla 30 will fit when using the firebox with the stand. Open the firebox stand and set it upright. Fold down the sides. Fold out the metal protection plate and hook it in the fastening points in the firebox stand. Insert the support brackets in the slots and fold them upwards to support the firebox stand. Lock them into place with the locking mechanism. Place the Hekla firebox on the stand. Insert the metal rods through the holes in the firebox and the firebox stand. Use the large holes for Hekla 30. For Hekla 7, use 1 large hole and 1 small hole. Hekla Barbecue Grate 30 is available as an accessory for the Hekla 30.